Good morning, guys. I'm psyching myself up for this one. I've got a cold and I don't feel very good. I know it's not COVID because I took a test. It is just a cold and it's just annoying. Yeah, and I feel rough, but there probably won't be. This will be my last pressure washing job for, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks because I've got a load of plastering to do, but I'll film those jobs as well. I've got to go travel to Storrington to do a render job. It's for a family member, that one, but yeah, I've got a couple more to do, so I'll film those and put them on the channel anyway, just so that there's content coming up. But yeah, huge thanks to everybody for supporting the channel recently. I think we're at like 450 or 500 subscribers now, which is mental that people want to watch me ramble on and pressure wash stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And one of my videos has got like 25,000 views now, which is mental. So yeah, really big thank you to everybody for liking and subscribing. And if you're watching this and you haven't, then please do, because it's like 95% of the people that watched aren't subscribed, which is crazy in itself. But yeah, I don't know, whatever. Just if you wanna, then do. If you don't, whatever, I don't mind. So yeah, that's it. I'll do a tour of the job in a second. I'm just gonna nail my coffee and yeah, suck myself up, because yeah, this cold's just got into my head. It's like a really heady cold. I just feel a bit like crappy and disorientated and like really stuffy and that. So yeah, so I haven't been able to sleep very well because I've had like blocked up nose and all that kind of rubbish. Although I really shouldn't complain because, you know, COVID and all that. So I mean, at least it's not COVID, so there's people suffering far worse than my cold. And I've also got a hospital appointment later on for my neck. I don't know if you remember, a few weeks ago I was on antibiotics for what they thought was a neck infection. It may not be. Long story short, and not to let out too much personal stuff, but when I was about 12 I had cancer, and they're basically looking now to see if this lump in my neck is a recurrence of the cancer. Or if it's just a swollen lymph node or something, so fingers crossed for the swollen lymph node. But yeah, I mean, so I'll keep you updated on that situation as well, once I find out more. But yeah, so if I have cancer I might not be posting very often, we'll see, but hopefully I don't have cancer. So anyway, I'll stop rambling and we'll get started. Okay guys, this is the job. Reasonable patio. Mostly it's just black spots, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray soft wash treatment down on this while I clean the driveway, and then I'll come back later, rinse it off, and then turbo nozzle all of the weeds. This is the driveway. There's a few things I'm not going to move. I'm not going to move all those tiles. I will just go around them because they're just heavy. I'm not going to do that, but I will move obviously the little statue things. So there's the general normal suspects, moss and weeds and stuff. It's not too bad. Again, I'm not going to move obviously that ton bag, and I'm not going to move all that wood. I'll just go round that. I will move these plant pots, and the drains are reasonably full of rubbish, so I may well empty the drains out. And then just this path to do. So yeah, basically we'll get started. I have to be out of here by 4:30 today, so I might make this into a 2-day job, and I might come back tomorrow to do the resanding or any other cleaning that's left. So I'm going to get started now and see how far I get today, because there's quite a bit to do. It's a good sized job. Yeah, it's a good sized job anyway, so we'll see how far we get, and yeah, enjoy the video. Okay guys, that's the patio basically all done. What I may do is do a second soft wash treatment just to kill off the last of the really ingrained stuff. But basically that's come out really well. As I said, I mean there's black spot in certain places, but generally it looks pretty good. I am a little bit rushed today because obviously I'm trying to make the hospital appointment, so you'll have to excuse me if the video's, you know, either shorter than usual or the quality of the footage is slightly, not necessarily the footage, but as in like I don't really have the time to get all the angles that I normally do because yeah, I'm just anxious to get to my appointment because it's hard to get appointments at the moment because of COVID and everything being in a backlog with the NHS, our National Health Service. If you're not in our country, then basically our healthcare service is it's not free, but it's paid for with our taxes. And yeah, getting appointments at the moment is quite difficult. So I have to make it today. So I'm going to do something that I don't normally do, and I'm not going to rinse down before I surface clean. I might just go around with a leaf blower real quick. In fact, I don't even think I will. The reason we usually wash down is to avoid things like that, stones and stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to get straight on it with the surface cleaner, just in the interest of saving time. And yeah, enjoy that. Top of the morning to you. I'm back. It's the next day and I'm feeling very slightly better on my cold, although I lost my sense of taste and smell this morning. So, but I'd taken a COVID test and it was negative, so I don't know, I'll take another one when I get home. But I'm not interacting with anyone today, no one's here. I'm just running some water through the drain. Better pressure than that, hopefully. Just to clear out the last of the dirt. I've actually cleared the drains, but I just want to run them through to get rid of any like lasting leftover debris. Hang on, let me check this tap. Feels like there's nothing coming out of it. Okay. Must be my hose pipe then. Thing is, I don't want to run it through at too much pressure because I'll get the driveway wet and I'm supposed to be resanding it right now. Well, that's what I'm going to have to do. Much better. There's just a kink in the hose. Simple solutions are always the most likely ones. Yeah, so I'm going to resand this morning. Came out really nice actually. Looks really good. I hopefully have enough sand. I've got 4 bags. There's 3 there. I think that'll do this area, and then I've got this section to go. I'll show you around the back. Came out quite nice. I mean, I said to the customer I wouldn't be able to get rid of all the black spot necessarily, but I've got rid of most of it. There's a few patches left over. I mean, I could possibly do a another treatment this morning. I might do that. I might see if I can grab a watering can from somewhere and just put down some hypo. I'm not going to use the machine, although I left the machine here. I just can't be bothered with filling up the water barrel just to put down a bit of hypo. So yeah, so that's it. So anyway, enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, we are all done. Looking pretty nice. Excuse the coughing, etc. All looking pretty good. Drains are nice and clear. Happy days. I'm going to go price another job now. And then that'll be me for the day. But I'm not going to film me pricing a job, it's boring. It's just another block paved driveway. I don't know what size it is. If it's a big one, that'd be nice. Ooh, and this is why you always do an idiot walk. That's what we used to call it anyway. An idiot walk, because I just left my turbo nozzle around the back. And that would have been a nice, what, 50 quid or whatever they are, wasted. So, quick tip, always do an idiot walk. Check around the job at the end of the day. Make sure you've got all your stuff.